Cebu Cordova Link Expressway, or CCLEX, is known as the Cebu Cordova Bridge and the third Cebu-Mactan Bridge. This bridge was built by a joint venture between Spanish firm Acciona and Philippine firms First Balfour and DMCI. The bridge connects mainland Cebu City and Cordova Town in Mactan Island. The 27-meter wide or 88-feet bridge is meant to serve as an alternate route serving Mactan Cebu International Airport, capable of serving at least 40,000 vehicles daily. Cut to cut of the bridge. Specifically, the bridge connects the South Road properties in Cebu City to Cordova. The CCLEX is open 24/7 to many motorists. Considered as the Philippines' longest bridge of about 650 meters,